channel Math with Nazia. In this video we are going to learn two examples of algebraic identities. So the first example is written here: if a plus b equals 10 and ab equals 21, find a cube plus b cube. So now let's see what is given. We have a plus b equals 10, so let's take that. So a plus b equals 10, this is given to us. Now first let's cube on both the sides. So I'm just going to cube both the sides. So by cubing both the sides we get a plus b whole cube equals 10 cube. So here we have a plus b whole cube. We shall use the a plus b whole cube identity. I hope you all remember the identity. So a plus b whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. I have explained the derivatives and few examples of this identity in my previous video. You can refer that. So now let's apply this identity here. So a plus b whole cube can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b equals 10 cube is 1000. So now we know the value of ab and a plus b. So a plus b is 10 and ab is 21. So I'm just going to apply the values here. So here it is a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab is 21 and a plus b is 10 equals 1000. So a cube plus b cube plus 3 times 21 is 63. 63 times 10 is 630 equals 1000. So a cube plus b cube equals, this 1000 would remain the same, and since 630 from the left hand side it's coming to the right hand side, so the plus would become minus 630. So a cube plus b cube equals 1000 minus 630, which is 370. So this is what our question is: find a cube plus b cube. So we have found a cube plus b cube. Isn't it easy? We just need to apply the identity. Now let's see the second example, which is if a minus b equals 4, ab equals 21, find a cube minus b cube. It is similar to the previous question. Over here it is plus and here it is minus. Again here it is plus and here it is minus. It's the same. We are just going to follow the same steps. So let's take a minus b equals 4 as given, and now we are going to cube both the sides. So this would be a minus b whole cube equals 4 cube. Now let's apply the identity. I hope you all remember the identity. So it is a minus b the whole cube equals, yes, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, and inside the bracket it is a minus b. It's the same identity, only in the place of plus we are just going to change the minus sign. That's it. Everything else is same. So for this identity derivative is also there in my videos. You can refer that. Now let's apply the identity. So a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab times a minus b equals 4 cube is, yes, it's 64. So now, as the previous question, we know the value of ab, we know the value of a minus b. So let's apply it. So it's a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. The value of ab is 21. So times 21, and inside the bracket is a minus b. So A minus B is 4 equals 64. So let's keep the A cube minus B cube as such, minus 3 times 21 times 4. So 3 times 21 times 4, which is 252 equals 64. Now let's take this negative 252 to the other side. So whenever negative from the left hand side goes to the right hand side, so the negative becomes positive, right? So it is A cube minus B cube equals 64 plus 252. So A cube minus B cube equals 252 plus 64. So 252 plus 64 is 316. So our question was find A cube minus B cube. Here we have got the answer of A cube minus B cube is 316. Isn't it easy? We just need to apply the identity. If you have any queries regarding this identity or any questions, explanation is needed, you can comment down in the comment section. And for more tips and tricks, do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.